Some people can't imagine their life without conquering impassable routes and reaching barely accessible destinations. But there are easier ways to get there. Jeep. We took an adventurer's signature tool and recreated it in the iconic shape of a Jeep. We then went to travel gear stores and handed out Jeep carabiners with every purchase to our potential consumers, to invite them to Jeep territory, a unique off-road test drive zone. Results: 5,000 carabiners were handed out during the first week of the promotion. 952 of them brought customers for a test drive during the following month.